Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to summertime workout number 6, I believe. Basically meaning we try to do the most amount of work, least amount of time possible, and no breaks, no clock. We just kind of go at it and get it done. For the sake of this video, we're going to do this for 2 rounds. So we have 4 different exercise combinations. Looks like 10 repetitions per exercise for 2 rounds. If you have the fitness or if you feel like you need to do more, by all means, repeat it again. You guys ready to go? Like I said, no clock, we just get going. We're gonna start with some forward and backward lunges, all right? Try not to have the leg hit in between the lunges. We're gonna do 10 repetitions per side. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Forward and back. 1, 2. Working on 3. I'm not guaranteeing I'm not gonna fall over. 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. No breather. Switch sides. 1. Remember, we're moving straight through today. 2. Keep it up. 3. Don't fall over. 4. But if you do, quite all right. 5, 6, 7, 8. That leaves us with 2 more. 1 and 2. All right, getting down on the ground. 5 mountain climbers and 1 hand release push-up. Let's see, I'll face in this direction for this one. Are you guys ready to go? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the ground, hand release, push up. 1, we're going for 10, 4, 5. Hand release, push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7. 8. 9. 10. All right, grab those dumbbells. Gonna kick back to a curl. You guys ready to go? Let's go. Going for 10. Stay right here. Curl up. 1, 2. Good old concentration curl. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Front raise with a squeeze and a squat. You can use 2 dumbbells or 1 dumbbell. Try it with 2. 1, 2. That's a little heavy. Going for 1. 3. Hold it. 4. Amazing how much 10 pounds can weigh for me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. All right, guys, that was run number 1. Back to the top, back to our lunges. 10 per leg. So make sure I get enough room. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it up. 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. Switch sides. 1, 2. Stay with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. Let's go. And 10. All right. Mountain climber push-ups. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. And up. That's 3. 7 more left. Keep on going. Keep on going. 5. That's 5. 5 left. Keep going. 4, 5. That's number 6. 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 7 done. 3 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Last one. 4, 5. Down. 10. Pop back up. All right. Kickback curls. Whew. You guys ready to go? Let's go. And curl. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more. Stay with me. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 4. All right, 1 dumbbell as I learned. Squat. And extend, extend. Squat down. 1. Control. 2. Fight that weight. 3. 4. Keep that weight parallel. Come on. 5. Halfway. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. And 10. Well, that's it, guys, for today's workout. Thank you for joining me at Fit After 50. This was 2 rounds over summertime workout number 6. If you're up to it, by all means, replay the video, keep on playing. Anyway, once again, thank you for joining me here at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday for about 4 years. I can't say over yet. Thanks for joining me again, and I'll see you guys for your next workout.